Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the RAND function in Excel. The RAND function generates a random decimal number between 0 and 1. This function is particularly useful when you need to create random data for simulations, testing, or statistical sampling. The RAND function recalculates a new random number every time the worksheet is changed, making it a dynamic tool for generating random data. Let's dive in. The RAND function does not require any arguments. When you enter =RAND into a cell, Excel will generate a random decimal number greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you want to generate a list of random numbers to simulate test scores, sales figures, or any other data that requires random values. To generate a random number between 0 and 1, simply enter the formula =RAND into any cell. In cell A1, press Enter, and Excel will return a random decimal number between 0 and 1, such as 0.5768. Now, drag the fill handle from cell A1 down to cell A10 to fill the column with random numbers. Suppose you want to generate random numbers between 10 and 50. You can use the RAND function in combination with basic arithmetic to scale the random number to your desired range. In cell B1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. The RAND function generates a random number between 0 and 1. Multiplying RAND by 5010 scales the random number to the range between 0 and 40. Adding 10 shifts the range so that it starts at 10, making the range between 10 and 50. Press Enter, and Excel will return a random number between 10 and 50. You can drag the fill handle down to generate more random numbers within this range. The RAND function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Simulations and modeling. Use RAND to generate random data for simulations, such as Monte Carlo simulations, to model different scenarios. Data sampling. Generate random numbers to select a random sample from a larger dataset. Games and contests. Use RAND to create random results for games, contests, or decision-making processes.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.